struggling with low energy, poor circulation, or intimacy challenges after 60. You're not alone. These issues are far more common than most people realize, yet few talk about them openly. What many don't know is that intimacy problems are rarely just about hormones. They are often tied to the health of your blood vessels. Circulation is the lifeline of intimacy, and when it slows, confidence and closeness suffer. But here's the good news. Instead of depending on expensive pills or risky procedures, nature already provides powerful tools. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'll share 4 fruits, backed by science and trusted by urologists, that can dramatically improve circulation and intimacy after 60. To understand why these fruits work, we need to start with the science of circulation after 60. As we age, our blood vessels become less flexible, blood flow slows down, and oxidative stress builds up in the arteries. This means the blood that once rushed freely to every part of your body, including those essential areas for intimacy, now struggles to get there. That's why so many older men and women notice changes in energy, stamina, and intimacy. But here's the fascinating part. The right foods, particularly fruits, can literally restore some of that vascular flexibility, increase nitric oxide levels, and protect the lining of your arteries. Instead of covering up the symptoms, these fruits strengthen the system at its root. The first fruit every man and woman over 60 should consider is the pomegranate. Often called nature's Viagra by researchers, pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants and compounds that directly boost nitric oxide in the blood. Nitric oxide is a molecule your body uses to relax and widen blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow exactly where you need it most. Clinical studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice daily can improve erectile function, increase energy, and even support heart health. Imagine a simple glass of ruby red juice in the morning, protecting your arteries and fueling your intimacy in the evening. It's not magic. It's biochemistry working with your body instead of against it. Next on the list is the blueberry, a fruit so small yet so powerful, it's been called a natural medicine chest. Blueberries are rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress on the blood vessels. Think of oxidative stress as rust forming inside your pipes. Over time, it narrows the flow and damages the walls. Blueberries act like a protective shield, keeping your arteries young and elastic. One large study found that men who ate blueberries several times a week had a 10% lower risk of developing circulation problems. For intimacy, that translates into stronger, more reliable performance and endurance. A handful of blueberries in your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie isn't just a snack, it's an investment in your vascular health. The third fruit might surprise you: watermelon. Unlike the other fruits on this list, watermelon contains a special amino acid called citrulline. When you eat it, your body converts citrulline into arginine, which then boosts nitric oxide production. If that sounds familiar, it's because this pathway is the same one many intimacy medications rely on. In other words, watermelon provides a natural version of the same effect, improving blood vessel relaxation and increasing circulation where it matters. Urologists often point out that the citrulline in watermelon can gently mimic what those pills do, but without the side effects. And yes, it works even better when enjoyed fresh and ripe on a warm afternoon, proving that pleasure and health can go hand in hand. Rounding out the list are citrus fruits, especially oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. Citrus is packed with vitamin C and flavonoids that reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel flexibility, and lower blood pressure. When your arteries are flexible and pressure is balanced, circulation flows more smoothly, and intimacy feels more natural. In fact, a study from Harvard found that men who consumed more citrus had a 20% lower risk of erectile difficulties compared to those who rarely ate it. The tangy sweetness of an orange or a glass of lemon water might seem simple, but it's quietly reinforcing your vascular health every single day. Now, knowing about these fruits is one thing, but the real transformation happens when you make them part of your daily routine. Here's a simple plan. Start your morning with a glass of water infused with lemon, followed by a bowl of oatmeal topped with blueberries. For lunch or an afternoon snack, enjoy fresh pomegranate seeds or a small glass of pomegranate juice. Later in the day, include slices of watermelon or a citrus fruit as a refreshing dessert. The goal isn't to overwhelm your diet, it's to consistently feed your body with circulation-boosting nutrients. Over time, these small daily choices build up into noticeable results: warmer hands and feet, improved stamina, and more reliable intimacy. Some men and women report improvements in just a few weeks. Others notice that their overall energy rises. They sleep better, and even their mood improves. That's because better circulation isn't only about intimacy. It's about oxygen and nutrients reaching every cell in your body. When blood flow improves, your heart, brain, muscles, and intimacy performance all benefit together. Think of these fruits as fuel, not just for closeness with your partner, but for a longer, healthier, more vibrant life. I want to leave you with this encouragement. Intimacy after 60 is not lost. It's waiting to be restored. Too many people believe the decline is inevitable, but science proves otherwise. By making simple changes, like adding these 4 fruits to your routine, you're sending your body a powerful message. You still value vitality, energy, and connection. Your partner will notice the difference, not just in intimacy, but in your confidence and presence. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow, add just one of these fruits to your day. Start with pomegranate juice or a handful of blueberries or a slice of watermelon. Notice how it makes you feel, and then build from there. Over the weeks, as you add more variety, your body will respond in ways you may not have thought possible at this stage of life. If this message resonates with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your partner, your friends, or anyone who believes that aging means giving up on intimacy. The truth is, with the right choices, life after 60 can be just as vibrant, and in many ways, even more meaningful. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more urologist-backed advice on circulation, vitality, and intimacy after 60. Your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting to be unlocked with the choices you make today.